saying, full transparency, right? My desk is a mess. My desk is a mess. My office is a mess. My house is not as organized as it used to be. In years past, trust me, it was Pinterest perfect. You could eat off the floor, okay? That's how my house used to be. And in the last few years, it's gone. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that though. That's not why I came here. I was writing in my journal and I wrote that the mess around me is condemning me. And a lot of you are feeling that way. You're feeling like because there is chaos in your life, because there may be actual physical clutter in your life, it means that you are not on top of things. It means that you've somehow failed at life because, oh my gosh, you didn't make your bed, or you have piles of laundry, or things are not put away perfectly. If someone comes over, you have to say, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the mess, right? That does not define you. Your space does not define you. The condition of your space does not define you. Is it an indicator of what may be going on in here and what may be going on in here? Absolutely. What I was saying in the last video that I recorded is that I'm coming out of what I call my John the Baptist season. I was heavily in my heart, heavily in my mind, heavily going through spiritual things. And this is an essential part of my visionary process. I'm going to keep pointing to this. This is an essential part of my visionary process. I know that. I know that this is now a new season of life that I am entering into. I know that it is going to require a different version of me. The version of me who was cooking and cleaning and doing all these things as her sole responsibility, that version of me no longer exists. I have VIPs to attend to. I have business stuff that I'm doing that I didn't have before. I have ministry. I have to preach tomorrow, right? I am living a completely different life to the life that I lived previously. Does it disqualify me from doing my job if I have 2 piles of laundry on the floor? No, it doesn't. Like, if I was a doctor, do you stop and ask your doctor, when you go to the doctor, you sit down in the chair and say, Dr. XYZ, here's what's going on with me. It hurts right here. What do you recommend? Oh, by the way, did you do your laundry? No. So don't define yourself by the condition of your environment. But at the same time, look at your environment. What is it telling you? What is it telling you that you need to do? How does it make you feel? Reflect on these things. How does it make you feel? And ask yourself, why do I feel this way? Do I feel this way because I really wanted to get it done? Or do I feel this way because I think people are judging me based on what I'm not doing? You understand what I'm saying? And I think this is going to hit home for a lot of you. Give me a like just to indicate, let me know if this resonates with you. If you want a good system, I am going to recommend the Clean Mama system because I am about to jump back on this system. I've been using it here and there. It's something that I've used in the past and it has helped me in terms of just keeping my household in check. Slowly but surely, I am getting back into it and it feels good. I'm tackling spaces one by one. My office is definitely one of the spaces. I went through my closet. My daughter has gone through her closet. I did my son's clothes a while back and gave some stuff away. I threw some stuff out over the last few days. So we are getting back there and I want to encourage you to do the same.